Here's a 2016 Subaru Impreza sedan. Subaru does a lot of things right with the Impreza. Great safety features, impressive performance, but standard all-wheel drive? Now they're just showing off. It comes with all the amenities you need. External memory control, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, selective service internet access, manual telescoping steering column, H4 engine, rear lip spoiler, four-wheel drive, and streaming audio. Edmunds.com muses you'll come for the all-wheel drive, but you'll stay for everything else. Live the life you love and love your Subaru. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.